Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be seeing if motherboard quality affects performance. For this comparison, we're going to be using the Ryzen 7 1700 with our good motherboard being this B450 AOS, and the bad B350 motherboard is a ASRock AB350M. We are going to be running both these CPUs at stock, and then again with a 3.6 GHz overclock on the Ryzen 7 1700. Got it set up here on the test bench with the ASRock AB350 for the core settings, and the raised up 16 gigs 2400 MHz DDR4 into RX 480. Let's go. There's Cinebench R23 on the ASRock AB350. I decided just to do a 3.6 GHz test because you would see any difference that was going to happen with that. As you can see, after running the CPU multi-core, we got a score of 8,934 points. Now, let's switch over to the Gigabyte AOS board. Alright, the AOS B450 just finished the test. It actually scored slightly lower with 8878. I'm actually going to try to overclock it to 3.8 at the same voltage. That was not stable on the other motherboard, but I think it will be stable on this because it has some better power delivery. Alright, so I just got done with the 3.8 GHz test on the Gigabyte AOS. I was actually able to get this thing perfectly stable at 1.18 volts, 3.8 gigahertz, and that gives a score of 9,456 in Cinebench R20. Alright, so it's been about a month since I filmed the last part of this video, but the Ryzen 7 1700 has been perfectly stable at 3.8 gigahertz, 1.187 volts on the AOS B450M. On that ASRock board, it would crash basically instantly at this voltage, even if you weren't running a stress test. At 3.8 gigahertz, it does give this significantly more performance than we were seeing at 3.6 gigahertz, and I've had no crashes and literally no issues at this frequency. If you're building a new system, I definitely would recommend spending the extra $20 to get a decent motherboard that has 4 RAM slots and a okay VRM setup. I picked this motherboard up for just $50 off Amazon Warehouse like a month and a half ago. But really anything like a Gigabyte B450M DS38 is also a good cheap motherboard. Will give you a lot of extra overclocking headroom. At the same frequency, if the lower end motherboard can hold that frequency, you won't be seeing a performance gain. It's just an overclocking and undervolting that you'll see a difference. Anyways, that's going to do it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.